Hi friends, welcome to my channel World Tech Support. Today we are going to learn how to create document in MS Office, MS Excel, right? First we are going to open like that, see. Now we are going to learn how to create a document in Excel sheet. First, go to Start button. After that, click All Programs and find here where is Microsoft Office, right? And after this, you have to see where is Excel, Microsoft Office Excel 2017. So friends, now here you can create any documents like that. I am going to create here. First I was written this some details. So here I am going to create a smart, beautiful. I am going to decorate it like that. First I select it like that, see, and after that I will go on merge and center button, right? After that I am going to here for its bold, and after that I will increase it by this, see, I am clicking here and this is increase like that. It's too much, so it's better. And after that I am going to like it, make a color like it like that, okay. And here this is company name, also I am select it and merge it, okay. This is number, you can change it, and this is place where I am sending this. So if you wish, then you can bold it also and underline, that will be good. And I am going to make it table. First I will select it and I first see here, I click here on this button and I am going to make a borders. This is border and this is name like that, and I already put here formula like that, see. You can calculate is easily like that. Suppose that your mobile price is 750 and you are buying one mobile, then its price will be 750, right? And if you are going to buy two, then its price will be 1500, like, because I already put here formula. Also you can put this multiply this equal to this, right? And also like that, also I already put your formula, also formula here, and I make here a sum like that. You can make, first select all it and go here on toolbar, click auto sum, see, this is already, and after that select and go here for make it bold. Also you can change its color, right? Like that. Also make formula for add all item, you can change your color and make it bold, right? After that you have to go here for save your documents. If you want to save on desktop, then you can click here, or you can select any drive like C, D, E, any drive. So just now I am going to save it on desktop, and I am going to write here name worksheet. Worksheet 1, right? And after that I will click here on save button. Now you see this is saved. So now I am going to find here worksheet. Already this is open, and I hope friends you already learned something by this video. So please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.